Okay, I want to let you all know how to get to the plays that you're going to be reading for your play reviews. First, I've opened up my drive here, and I'm going to find the folder that says Plays to Read. You all should have this folder in your drives, and you may need to add it to your drive. You might have received an email saying, Add folder to your drive. Once you've done that, click on the folder, Plays to Read. And your sub is going to tell you whether you're working from list 1, 2, 3, or 4. But essentially the first time you're working on reading the plays, you're working on list 1, and the second time list 2, and so on. So it's probably the first time you're watching this. So we'll go to list 1, and then you just select your section. Perhaps you're in 6A. And then you have the play here, copy of Katie Yukawa 7A Final Draft. So this is the play that Katie wrote, and you open that up, and it'll open up in another window. And then your sub will take it from here. Your sub will cast people in these parts. Someone will play Emily, someone will play Jessica, someone will play Emily's mom, someone will play Emily's dad, another Emily's grandma, Emily's grandpa, bus passenger 1, 2, and 3. And most importantly, someone is going to read the stage directions. Now the author is probably not in the room, so this is going to be another student. So in this play we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 students reading. So what are the other students in the class doing? They're going to be listening and taking notes, because at the end of this you're going to fill out a survey and you're going to give your opinion about the play. You're also going to know a few key things about the play. You're going to need to know how many characters are in the play. In this case there are 9 plus the stage directions. And you're going to also need to break the characters out into large, medium, and small parts. Emily Brown is the main character, and she is likely a large part. Bus Passenger 1, because Bus Passenger 1 doesn't even have a name and has no lines. This is a very small part. You want to notice which parts are large, which parts are small, and which parts do not have any lines. You'll also need to note how many pages there are. You'll see here as we scroll, it gives me a little count here. There are 16 pages in this play. I would also like you to look for parts of the play that interest you, that really stood out to you, parts that engaged you, parts that you think would be appropriate for Explorer West, and reasons we should produce this play. Please keep your comments positive and focused on a criticism that helps rather than hurts. And if you have any questions, I'm sure your sub will be able to help you out further. All right, happy play reading. If you're in 6A, you're starting with The Mystery Key by Katie Yukawa. And if you're not in 6A, well, there are many other great plays for you to be reading. Thank you all very much, and everybody, be good.